Friends, neighbors and friends, welcome back. Today I am actually working on another Power Distro project. So this is a standard box that we keep in stock at LM. This has 4 Decora punches and 2 D-series punches. This is my best game show model, your favorite nerdy game show model that you only see their hands. This box is a generic one that we keep in stock here at LM. It solves a bunch of problems for me. If I need to put an I/O panel in a system and I can't get something through my metal worker fast enough, this is a good generic solution. D-punches solve a bunch of problems. They can be power. They can be anything pretty much except a true 1 output. And then in the Decora side of things, you can get keystone jacks or any of that other kind of stuff. So you can solve a lot of problems with just this one generic 2U box, which is why I build them in bulk and keep them in stock. This one is going to be a power supply for my workbench. I have made myself about 4 of these this year, and due to supply chain issues, I keep having to sell the one out of the rack that sits on my desk to meet customer deadlines. So again, I'm going to build another one for myself today, and I figured, hey, what the heck? Let's put it on YouTube. So here we go. So these boxes come apart pretty easily. This is just a flanged 2U panel on the top or the front end of it. It just uses some steep threaded screws. Well, that came out a little less than glamorous, but you get the idea. So here's the back box. We can leave this assembled. There's just going to be a cable gland that goes on the back there. Well, actually, hey, let's put that in right now. Why not? We'll set that off to the side. Or the front. We're actually going to set that off to the front. Okay, so here is our front panel. Looks just like this. So you can see here on this flanged portion, that's what the back box screws into. So we are going to get this panel loaded up. So for this particular example, because this panel is in the generic D-punch Decora punch category, we are going to load this up with some cool varieties of Decora outlets. So to start off, we're going to use 2 Decoras with USB-Cs in them. So that will give me a total of 4 USB-Cs. I'm going to use one that has a USB, or 4 USB-As, which normally we can get that in the black flavor. However, because we are still in the year of our Lord 2022 with supply chain, I have to deal with this charcoal gray, which actually I don't mind. It is pretty cool. It just would have been nice if it matched. But hey, that's okay. It's just for me. And then I've also have a dual A USB-A outlet that I'm going to put in here. For whatever reason, it comes in a different size or a different style of box. So this is going to cover that. I'm also going to use 2 PowerCon outputs that will allow me to have some courtesy output power. So I'm going to get this loaded up and not force you to watch that in excruciating, boring detail. So here we go. right, friends, we are all finished up. So looking at the front here, we've got 2 PowerCons, an Edison with 2 USB-As, 2 Edisons with 4 USB-Cs, and also 4 USB-As here on the end. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video here, if you do like this box, if you're watching this for more so, I make all these electrical videos mostly for entertainment purposes. I'm not really showing you how to do things. It's mostly some weird electrical voyeur thing. But if you do want to buy this box, check the link in the description. We do sell these here at LM, and you can buy it direct from LM. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.